Hi, my name is Kate Erasm, and I am the Women in Politics Archivist at the Iowa Women's Archives. In today's video, we will be talking about how to find and request archival rare books using the InfoHawk Plus database. To get started, you'll need an Aeon account, so if you don't have one yet, start with our Aeon sign-up video, which is linked in the description below. InfoHawk Plus is the platform you'll use to request rare books that can't be checked out. Once you've requested a rare book in this way, it will be put on hold in our reading room and you can come to the library to view it. Let's start by pulling up the InfoHawk Plus search bar. You can find this either on the main library's homepage, as you see here, or on the Special Collections and Archives website, as you can see here. One important thing to note about InfoHawk Plus is the focus tool. You can see that down here. It's a little toggle. When it's over to the right, it says focus is on. And when it's over to the left, it says focus is off. When focus is on, it means that your search will pull results from the library catalog only, meaning materials where the library has a physical copy, and it will list the oldest items first. So basically, focus is a tool to help you narrow your search to locate more primary sources or archival materials as opposed to circulating materials or digital resources. And that's why, as you can see here, the InfoHawk Plus search bar on the Special Collections homepage defaults to focus on, while the library's homepage defaults to focus off. Now, let's try a search together. Let's say we're looking for artists' books, which are items where the book itself is a piece of artwork. These are often held by special collections because they can be rare and fragile. We could just search for artist books here in the search bar, but to help us out a little bit more, we're going to try an advanced search, and we will look for artists' books as the subject. Here are our results. This looks like an artist's book about Alice in Wonderland. That sounds interesting, so we will click on that to see more. You can see here under request options, request this item for reading room use. So that's always a signal that the item you're requesting is an archival material that you will be needing to come in and use in the library. If you click on that request button, it will take you to the Aeon request form, which looks like this. Most of the fields will already be filled out. As you can see, all of the required fields have been automatically populated by our database. You will just need to indicate who the request is for. Most people just have one option there. And you will either choose submit request and a date if you want the request to be pulled for you immediately, or if you'd like, you could save your request for later. Either way, hit submit request when you're finished, and the material will be put on hold for you. Navigating back to the InfoHawk Plus database, let's try one more search to see how it looks when there is a book that's held by multiple repositories in the library. So we're going to try searching for the title Strong-Minded Women, which was written by one of the IWA's founders, Louise Noun. We see we have a result for that here. And then you can see under request options that there's multiple different copies of this title. Some of them are available from the UI main library, and that means those are circulating copies where you could check them out. However, if you'd like to view the IWA copy in the reading room, you can click on that item and request it from Aeon as well. So that is a quick introduction to searching for rare books using the InfoHawk Plus database. And we hope to see you in the reading room soon.